Sound effects play a major role in making your video stand out. I recently found a perfect website where you can get all the trending sound effects from pop sounds to typing, clicks, transition and many more. Simply go to the website, browse your favorite sound effects and hit the download button. Once it's downloaded, export it in your editing app. Now open your editing app and import your video. Tap on music and then sound effects and add. And that's it. Comment SFX and I will DM you the website link instantly.